Today's quick Google marketing tip is to add attributes that may attract certain customers to your Google My Business profile. So when you log into Google My Business and click on your listing, if you already have one made, you'll see this home screen with all these different cards prompting you to do certain things. Now down here at the bottom, or sometimes they move depending on how much you've completed in your account, you'll find this spot that says Add Attributes. Click that button. Now this particular business I'm working on is a women-owned business, so I'm going to click this option for women-led. Now you can also identify as Black-owned, veteran-led, wheelchair accessible, and go through all of these lists. Appointment required, mask required, staff gets temperature checks, staffs wear masks, what would be other online appointments available, on-site services. So this way, then when you add these attributes, it will appear on your Google My Business profile right onto your Google search result. So now when you look at this business on Google My Business, you'll see identifies as women-led, which does attract a certain type of demographic, especially if that's your niche. Wanted to show you how to add those attributes today. Thanks. Let me know if you have any questions anytime.